What's up, guys? Harry here. Hope you're all doing well, known as Trade Sharp. And let's get into this. I mean, there's some great news, and when I minimize this window, you're gonna see something. Boom! Look at that, guys. Look at that. We did break the 20K level. Just want to congratulate you. I was looking for a big move, and here's the big move. Obviously, we were looking at different factors to indicate where our big move was going to be, whether it was going to be up or whether it was going to be down. And it was getting a bit difficult, and it looks like the higher time frames were correct, and the higher time frames said that the higher time frames were bullish, but the lower time frames were not. So it does look like the higher time frames played out, and we did break. And how did we know that? A break of what would put us at this level was a break of this triangle we had in here. If you can see that coming in from here. And if we broke above that triangle, we were looking for a big explosion move. Now, there is no previous price history. This is price discovery. So how are you supposed to do TA on this? Well, the first thing is, if we're closing dailies and 12 hours above this first topside trology band, then that's good news. A minute we close below the topside trology band, that is bad news. And it looks like, then it's a change of trend. Now, going into the lower time frames, we will go, well, not into the lower, there's nothing to see on the lower time frames. So how do I know that we're going to have a small pullback and we will see a lot of volatility? And it's really hard to call when this volatility will happen to the upside and downside. So obviously to the downside, we will see volatility when we start putting in bearish divergence, which, you know, it is calling it bearish divergence here from this point here and this point here, and then there's $100 move. But I'm not really seeing this as a bearish divergence. I would like to see it something on a 4 hour, which you can see is nothing. So there is no local top. These bearish divergence on the 1 hour will just be calling these tiny pullbacks we see here that are irrelevant to such a big move. So I would like to see, you know, a top called on the 4 hour because look at this. I'll have to extend this. It's gonna reach all the way up into here, probably that. So, anyways, I'm looking for my next target here at 23,000. Probably it won't. It'll take us, probably till tomorrow or something. What is today? The 17th, 18th. So that looks like, yeah, about, on the weekly it will play more significance. Looking at like, 23. 500 maybe 23 400 somewhere around here, on the next daily. Let's have a look at the daily. Yeah, the next day if we reach, yeah, 23 400 somewhere I'm looking for here, and I want to see what happens here. This is my last level of resistance, so I want to see what happens if we close above this. I'm looking for more extension, but I do feel this is an area of caution, this area here, and I'm looking for, this is a face melting move to the upside, and I'm looking for a face melting move to the downside at some point. But anyways, I'll leave you with that. Things are looking bullish. Enjoy the time, enjoy the euphoria. It's Bitcoin time, baby. Remember, guys, trade sharp.